Hi, I'm Kim. I'm with 6260 Ohana, California, and today I have my Ultimate Magic Bibbidi box for the month of July. Now you might be saying July, we're midway into August. Well, this one didn't ship out until July 31st, and then we were traveling, so it got a little late. So now I'm opening it. So just to let you know, Bibbidi box, the Ultimate Magic, is $119 per month. They also have something that's called a wish list. So every month they have new products that come out, and they let you kind of put things, items you'd like. They have preference list, so you kind of let them know things you like, wouldn't like, or things that you already have. So it's good to keep those up to date, because I didn't last month and had something I already had, but that was my fault. So that's why it's important to update those preference lists. Okay, so I'm excited. It's been a while since I've opened up one of these. So first thing I have is my packing list. We'll hide that because that's like a cheat sheet. And I got, again, they've been doing these reusable bags, which are great. I think they're lovely. This is, okay. I'm really hoping I got my wish list for this month because it's really cool. I'm trying not to look, that's why I was looking sideways. Okay, first thing hey. I found Mickey ears. And this is a Parks exclusive, and I can tell because it has a pink dot. I knew it because I wanted it anyways. This retails for $34.99, and I have the matching backpack I wear in a lot of my videos, so this is great. I don't have scissors, so I'm gonna try to hide that. But I'll put them on. It matches. Hopefully that looks okay. So that was on my wish list. I'm trying not to get to the big item first, if there's anything else. These. Oh, here's something smaller. Okay. Ooh. Alright, so I got Cinderella's Castle magnet. Okay. I do collect magnets. Okay. Oh, there's something else at the bottom. We won't get to the big one. We saved the best for last, right? Oh. Ooh. This is one of my favorite Disney companies. It's outside of Disney. They say it's a Disney Parks exclusive. So this is the Basin bath salts. I use these all the time. Bath bombs, bath salts.
Maybe the scent is exclusive?
Yeah. I don't know. Let me, ooh. I'm gonna have to link, I'll do the research online and I will let you know what scent that is, but it smells really fresh. You want to take, I'm gonna have Brad behind the camera take a say, what do you think it is? Sugary.
It almost smells like the Basin store itself.
Right? It smells very tropical-ish. Ish.
Well, I'm talking about the one at the Grand Floridian.
Okay, we'll have to see.
Maybe I'm wrong.
All right, and this one was what I was hoping for too. So I got a lot on my wish list this month. It's a Cinderella Loungefly mini backpack. Yay. So it's got Cinderella's castle. I'm looking at the stitching because there was a YouTuber, I think it was Mickey's Girls, that got one of these that wasn't, so the stitching was off. But my stitching looks okay. I think that's something based on her recommendation. I'll link her channel below that now I'm looking for. This one doesn't have that. I love how it has like a little hidden pocket down here. Might get a little bent. That's always what worries me about Loungeflies, is I don't like to get a lot of these because they get a little bendy, but it looks good still. Oh, it has Cinderella's carriage. Okay. It's got lining. We'll look at the bigger lining inside. It's really pretty. Oh, and it's got a Cinderella's crest. In the back, it has Cinderella when she's changing from her everyday look at home into her gorgeous, beautiful princess self. And it says, a dream is a wish your heart makes. Or it says, a dream is a wish your heart makes. Which, oh, I love that. It's really beautiful bag. This is definitely one I'm going to use frequently. It's probably going to be my Disneyland bag, truthfully. And I like to travel when they have different things that come up, embroidery that comes up. Cinderella usually does go with Magic Kingdom because I don't want to take it on a plane because I don't want these to get bent up in my suitcase. I'm going to use it for Disneyland. And it has a little inside pocket. Very nice. Did you see the lining? I really like this. This was a bag that I really wanted to get. So that is awesome. I got lots off of my wish list, things that are completely tailored to me. So I'm really happy with July's box. So let's go ahead and open up our packing slip. So your box was curated with love by Amanda. Amanda always does an amazing job. So thank you again, Amanda, for another amazing box. I got the custom Disney inspired magnet, which is the pastel castle. I love how they make it sound so much better than I do when they put in the description. This was $3.50. Okay. Disney Parks exclusive Loungefly Parks cutie ears are $39.99. The Loungefly Disney Cinderella's Castle series mini pack was $75. Wow. And the Disney Parks exclusive electric lemonade Basin bath salts was $5.99. That's actually kind of funny because I use electric lemonade bath bomb all the time, and I knew it smelled like familiar to me. All right, so the total value in my box was $124.48. I paid $119, so that's a win. And honestly, this was a really awesome box. So I was really happy. I can't wait for my August box. I love them. This is kind of like my treat every month. So if you found this, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. And I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.